Hello there and welcome back. Let's grab a coffee and continue our OpenFaas journey. So, in this video, we are going to see how we can use the Dockerfile template to turn any executable into a function. So, what I have here is my trusty CentOS 9 machine. And what I am going to do is basically create the demo folder. So mkdir demo 3. And inside this demo 3 folder, if I can navigate there, here is what we should do. So technically, we have to create our own template or clone the template, so to speak. But before that, we have to issue the OpenFaas prefix equals ttl.sh/test. And then we can use the FAAS CLI, new --lang, Dockerfile, and curl. So this is going to be the curl command that we want to configure. And here inside our curl folder, this is how the directory structure looks like. So we have a simple Dockerfile. Let's inspect the content. curl Dockerfile. So technically, we have to modify a little bit this Dockerfile to adhere to the fact that we want to execute the curl command with the appropriate arguments. So basically, what we can do is to use the run and add apk no cache and curl. And what this will do is to basically make sure that our curl command is available inside our container. And we have to edit the F process. So basically, what we have to do is to use the xargs curl -s -capital L -capital S. And basically, what we should do after this is the following. So we use the FAAS CLI up-f curl.yaml and add apk. It's not working because, oh, sorry. So apt add apk, and this is not working at all. So apt add and apk add, sorry, because we are using the Alpine Linux base image. And there the apk command is just like on Ubuntu systems, the apt, or on Red Hat systems, the yum. And once this process completes, we should receive a URL. And what I want to do is to go to the http bin.org and basically grab a URL. So let's execute it. And this will be the one that we want to use. So now what we can do is to use the curl command, http 127.0.0.1 8080 function CURL, and we specify the data like this. And as you can see, this was the response. So now we have the CURL function exposed as a web function that takes an argument, and in turn what it will do is try to inspect the URL that we provided. And technically that's it. So you can do this with any other type of commands. And what else should we experiment with? So Dockerfile, and let's modify it. So let's say that we want to use only the -i as the argument. So if we use the curl -i http://bin.org/get, this is going to be the response. So now we can re-up our function, update the layers, and deploy it to our K3s environment. And if everything goes well, we should be able to reissue this command. And now you can see that we have a different output. So technically, in this case, at least, what you have to do is to play with the fprocess environment variable. This is where you define your process, which should be exposed as a function so that it can accept basically the data argument that you are sending to it. And that was all. See you in the next one.